Today we're doing a thing, and we're doing this thing because we couldn't do the other thing we were trying to do. The other thing we were trying to do is replace the vanity light in our bathroom. Now you would think that'd be fairly simple, but when you go shopping for a vanity light, they're all like ginormous. They have big globes, they hang down. I thought I had one that was gonna work, but it turned out to be too big, so I had to bring it back. I can't find anything that I like. We've got this vanity light that's came with the house, been there for who knows how long. And all I did was I took it down, I scuffed it up with a wire wheel and a Scotch-Brite pad. The Scotch-Brite pad might have been a little overkill, especially seeing as how I hooked it to my 4-inch angle grinder. But anyway, it got the job done. I did a little hand sanding, and now we're gonna paint it. We're gonna try to paint it black to match the new faucet that we just installed. Hopefully this will work, and hopefully we won't have to try to find another light. All right, so I got everything all sanded up. I took the globes off, dulled it up pretty nice, and I'm hoping that it will paint good. The paint we're using today is this Canyon Black satin finish. I wiped everything down with some denatured alcohol, and now we just gotta do this. Probably 3 coats, I think. This nozzle's no joke, it puts out a ton of paint. All right, we'll let that marinate for about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, and then we'll do another coat. We got the diesel heater cranking, 60 degrees inside. It was just snowing a minute ago outside. Temperature outside is about 34 degrees. We're enjoying the inside today. Okay, so it's been about 10, 15 minutes or so. We're gonna go ahead and put second coat on. It's got a lot of dirt in the paint, just as I figured it would because of the conditions that I'm painting. It'll look fine. Okay, coat 2 looks like it's gonna be good. I'm gonna leave. I actually have somewhere to be. I'm gonna come back in about an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and then should be good to go. We should be able to reinstall it. We'll be back. All right, a couple hours have passed, and got 2 coats on it, and it seems to cover pretty good, so check it out. So we did the 2 coats of paint, and seems to cover pretty well. I think overall it is not perfect, but it came out very nice. And I think it's going to look good in the bathroom. And all for the price of a can of paint. So sometimes it's better to recondition the old stuff than to buy new, I guess. We'll see if it works out in this case. I'll go ahead and put it all back together, and then I'll get it installed. All right, so this goes together pretty quick. You just got to make sure you tighten the nut up so it doesn't spin. Angela's inside. She's cleaning up the globes for the lights. And I'm going to go get this installed, and I'll be right back. All right, here it is. We got it all installed. I think it looks fantastic for, you know, a couple hours worth of work on a Sunday afternoon, and just the cost of a can of spray paint. You can really do a lot to an existing light fixture with just a little bit of work, and it makes everything look completely different now. The light now matches the new faucet. The new faucet now matches the curtain rod that we installed a couple weeks ago. And so just these little subtle changes, and we're doing like a little mini bathroom makeover. All right, that's it for this video. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you. You are better than most. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.